The jaw joint structure consists of the lower jaw as it articulates or relates to the skull and ear canal. This area has never been considered when studying concussions, head injuries, mouthguard wearing, or any other thing that concerns the impact forces that a person would receive against the head. Even in the military, we have failed to look at the importance of this jaw joint structure. We look at the anthropomorphic dummy that is used in the automobile industry, and everyone recognizes this dummy, but the dummy itself has no jaw joint. With the advent of modern technology, we can now rotate the skull so that we can see delicate fractures that are occurring at the base of the skull as they relate to concussions. I've had the opportunity to examine over 500 to 600 athletes and other persons from automobile injuries that have suffered from concussions. And 95 to 98% of these people show fractures in the jaw joints area. And that is significant. Many people have never linked the pains and suffering of a concussion to fractures or injuries to the jaw joint. The symptoms of concussions, as they're noted, are also the symptoms that are related to the fractures of the tiny bones in the base of the skull that can be healed. Healing these bones can eliminate many of the symptoms of concussions. We know more about the joints of a finger than we know about the most vital joint in our system, and that's the joint that supports and houses a brain. On top of that joint, in the jaw joint space, the part of the brain is called the temporal lobe. And when we talk more about symptoms of concussions, you will recognize that most symptoms are temporal lobe problems. The impact against the lower jaw that will cause a concussion or a knockout will definitely fracture the thin and tiny bones in the base of the skull. For more information, please contact us today at the Jaw Joint Science Institute.